So good morning to again all of you. In the last tutorial, we studied about some specific angle related to trigonometrics. Your tutorial 3.2 is it will be continued. In this tutorial, we studied about some angles and how could we convert the degree to radian and radian to degree. Just we can find the relation between them. We discussed some example related to degree and radian. I will provide you to how could you remember the table in the shortcut form. So only you remember this 5 values of the sine theta. By the sine theta, you can am I
No, ma'am. Madam. Hello. Hello.
hello student? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Because there's okay. So the using of the 10, we can find the value of cos. Cos is the procedure of the 10. Then solve the cosec and sec is the reciprocal of the sine and cos remaining. You just know about the cosec. You just put the all value cosec procedure you got the same. So this is already we discussed in the last tutorial. Here we can find such an example. Okay, this is the last example we will. So let me moving on the more example. All students, please write it. Yes, there is some network issue here. If you have any problem related to voice clarity, you can put your thing in chat box. I will solve that if possible. Look here, the next example on your screen is. So such type of example we will discuss here, the number 6 and number 7. So let me solve it. First of all, you can write the 6 number example say answer of the 6 is the value of the 1045 is a 1. Your question is 1 minus 10 square 45 1 plus 10 square 45. So look here. The value of the 1045 is the 1. So the 1 minus 1 square. Apply the square. It's a 0 by 2. In any number whose numerator is 0, you always got the value is 0. So your answer is. So this is your answer. So what you can do, we just put the value of it. Right, Lulu? Definitely. The second question, 7 number question on your screen is, we can find the value of and expand it. Look the 7 number question. It's a 2 10 30. It's whole divided by 1 minus 10 square 30. First of all, you remember the value of the 10 30 and 10 30. It's 1 upon under root 3. Put it. So as it is, the value of the 1 upon it's the 1 upon root 3 all divided by first of all you can apply the square, multiply this number, numerator is multiply with numerator and denominator 2. So it will be it's a 2 upon root 3. This is your numerator and it's divided by apply this square. This is a 1 minus 1 by 3. The square of the any under root term, it's used to you whole numbers. Now, you just take the LCM, means the cross multiplication. This 3 is divided by 1. This 3 is multiplied with 1. So it is look like it's a 2 by 3. This is your numerator. After getting the LCM, this is the 3 minus 1 by 3. It gives to you 2. So it will be it's a 2 upon under root 3 all divided by 2 by 3. And you know this term is moving on here. And this term moving on here. The other root. It is 2 into 3 divided by 2 into under root 3. First of all, cut it if possible. 2 to cut. The remaining term is 3 root 3. But you all know that all 3 is written like under root 3 multiplied twice. Cancel it. So your answer is 1 upon under root 3. Hope you understood. What we can do? Look the procedure to again. First of all, we can put the all value through the table. Apply the square, take the cross multiplication means the LCM, your denominator is multiplied with the 1. After getting it to numerator and denominator, you just apply the rule. Your denominator to denominator is moving on the numerator and multiply with it, and denominator is moving with the denominator of the last denominator, and it is multiplied with it. Common number will be cancelled. 3 is written like under root 3 multiplied twice. So this is your answer. Hope you understood. Have any question related this one? This 2 1? Okay. The student, going on the more example, I have one notice to you.
મેમ
Yes.
આપણે √3 કેન્સલ આઉટ કરે પણ ન્યુમેરેટર માં √3 છે તો ન્યુમેરેટર છે તો પછી આપણે 1/√3
Yes,
કેમ
yes, 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 right, definitely, right. It's my fault. And this denominator will be cancelled. The answer is under root 3 only, because the remaining term remain on the denominator. Sorry, numerator. છેદમાંથી cancel થઈ જાય છે, અંશમાં જ બચે છે, એટલા માટે under root 3. This is your answer. Okay. So I have a one notice for you. So first of all, you remember this notice, then we moving on the more examples. Not in your book and anywhere or in mind. First of all, your test. Your rubrics test. 10 mark. MCQ type. Your syllabus is Unit 1 and Unit 2. Mic ચાલુ છે ને એટલે. Unit 1 and Unit 2. And this is taken from the Google form. We can use this test by the Google form. Your time and date. On Monday, 7th June. This is your day and time is in morning 9. No, because this is yeah, 7th June is proper. Time 3:00 PM to 3:30 PM. Only the 30-minute test. Look here, your rubric test, there is no change for all diploma student, chemical, electrical, and the civil also. Test 10 marks, MCQ type, syllabus is Unit 1 and 2. Taken from the Google form. Time in data 7th June on Monday 3 PM to 3:30 PM. So I will send you Google link on your group and you can just solve it. Okay, now any question about this one? Anyone? So this is your test or 30 marks, sorry, 10 marks only. If you have any questions or tell me, this is a very simple example. The second thing about your rubrics assignment. Today I'm putting on your Google class. You can solve it. This is also 10 mark. It is only 10 question. You can solve it, write down in your book, take the photo, convert into the PDF and send me in your Google class. Turn it. Okay. What is the procedure to solve this assignment? You can solve the assignment. First of all, you can solve it. Write down in book. In anywhere. Convert into the PDF. And send me on Google Class.
मैडम
Yes.
क्या
चलो बोलो
चैप्टर
है.
मध्ये क्या चैप्टर
हाँ?
मध्ये गाइड होतं
हाँ,
क्या
Unit
चैप्टर
1
मध्ये
2.
क्या
અસાઇનમેન્ટ તમારા લોકોને જોઈ જોઈને લખવાનું છે યુનિટ 1 and 2.
હા પણ મેડમ क्या चैप्टर માંથી
Yes,
Unit-
assignment from the unit 1 and 2.
ओके मैडम
Okay? Nothing is in this unit 3. So you just write the question, solve it with yourself and write down in any book. You convert, take a photograph, click it, convert it to PDF and send me before the due date. Today I will send the assignment also. Now tell me any question about this.
મેમ
Okay,
અસાઇનમેન્ટ
so-
તમે અત્યારે જ અપલોડ કરશો ને?
હા આજે છે હમણાં તમારો લેક્ચર પતે ને એટલે
ઓકે મેમ.
ચલો એટલે don't worry, I will give you the 1 week to solve this full assignment. Okay, let's be moving on the next example. Yes. Now the 11th number person on your screen is, look here. Here to evaluate the following question, here the angle in the radian form. So you must remember the relation between them. How could you convert your radian into the degree? Okay, so pi by 6 means the 30 degree, pi by 4 means 45 degree and pi by 3 means 60 degree. So put all degrees in it and solve it. The question number 1, 11.1, I will solve you. You can tell me the value of number 2, sine square terms. So let me first of all solve this following one. The answer of the one is 10 square pi by 6 means the 10 square 30. 10 30 means 1 upon the root 3 square. 10 45, that's mean pi by 4, it's the 1, it's the 1 square. Then pi by 3 means 60. 10 60 is under root 3 square. First of all, student, apply the square. This is the 1 by 3. This is 1 and this is 3. Take the addition of this two terms. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now you can take the cross multiplication of it. So it will be 1 plus 12 by 3. And this is your answer, 13 by 3. You can take it directly here, LCM. Otherwise, you have a two common numbers, take addition, then you can take this cross multiplication of it. Now the next question, try yourself. What is the answer of second one? Tell me. Try yourself, second number question. Madina, no ma'am means what? No ma'ams. Diavora, also no ma'am. When you have a problem, you both of you, kindly tell me. Dia and Madina.
What, ma'am?
You have any problem because you put in chat no ma'am. Miss, you can understood no.
Ma'am means when you ask that any doubt, that time I will return that.
Okay. Now tell me the answer of the second one. You can solve it. I will give you the again advice for the Gujarati student who have a problem. Student જે લોકો ગુજરાતી મીડિયમ ના છે એ લોકો માટે ગૂગલ અસાઇનમેન્ટ ગૂગલ ક્લાસરૂમ ની અંદર you can join as soon as possible. જો તમે લોકો જોઈન ના હોય તો એના ઉપર તમને એક અસાઇનમેન્ટ ટોપિક્સ નું મૂકવામાં આવશે. એને ઓપન કરશો તેમાં એક સિમ્પલ વર્ડ PDF ફોર્મેટ હશે. એમાંથી ક્વેશ્ચન લખી ક્વેશ્ચન અને આન્સર બંને એક બુક્સમાં સરસ અક્ષરે લખી સોલ્વ કરીને દરેકના પેજના ફોટો ક્લિક કરીને એ ફોટોને PDF માં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનો અને પછી ગૂગલ ક્લાસરૂમમાં તમારે ટર્ન ઇન થવાનું. જો પ્રોસિજર ખબર ના હોય તો યુ કેન યુઝ ધ યુટ્યુબ ઉપરથી ઘણા વિડીયોઝ જોશો તમને આઈડિયા આવી જશે કે કઈ રીતે ટર્ન ઇન થવાનું છે. But you can submit your assignment before the due date. આજ તો હજી તમને મોકલું છું તો ડોન્ટ વરી એક વીક નો ટાઈમ હશે. ઓકે
મેડમ
યસ
2 વીક રાખો ને.
ના એટલું બધું મોટું નથી કે 2 વીક ની જરૂર પડે.
આપો મેડમ બીજા અસાઇનમેન્ટ છે ઘણા.
કઈ મેથ્સ નું પહેલી વખત કામ આપે છે.
હા મેડમ એ વાત તો બરાબર છે, પણ તમે જરીક વધારી દો ને ડ્યુ ડેટ
ના ના.
પ્લીઝ મેડમ.
So no, don't say please, okay? This is the final. Date is always final. You can do anything. You have a full night, okay? And it's not a very hard, it's a really small. It is only the 1 hour work. So let me moving on the next example. Next answer, someone say me, send their answer, and it is A1 by 2. Okay, can we let me check it? The second person.
It's one. It's 1 over 2.
Okay, 1 by 2. Okay, done. So let me check. He's right, yeah, wrong. So the answer of the second one is 10 pi by 3 means 1060. It's a 1 upon root 3 by 2 whole square. 1045, that's mean 1 by under root 2 whole square. And 10 pi by 6 means sin pi by 6 means 30. It's a 1 by 2 whole square. First of all, you can give the square. This is the 3 by 4. This is the 1 by 2. And this is the 1 by 4. Look here. This is your biggest denominator. So this is your main LCM part. We can take the LCM using the 4 only. So 3 have a denominator is 4, nothing to multiply, just put it 3 as it is. In this second term have a denominator is 2. So remaining term is 2. You just multiply this number by 2. છેદની અંદર 2 છે, 4 બનાવવા માટે 2 ઘટે છે, તો આ નંબર્સને 2 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો. So it is 2 into 1, it's a 2. અહીંયા ફરી ડિનોમિનેટરમાં 1 4 છે, this is 1. So 3 plus 2, it's a 5. 5 plus 1, it's 6. 6 by 4. 6 means 3 by 3 into 2. And 4 means 2 into 2. Got it? So your answer is 3 by 2. Kelvin, not a 1 by 2. Will you find any difficulty? Right, Lulu? It's a 3 by 2. What happened, Kelvin? Where is wrong?
Yeah, in a mixed fraction, it is 1 over 2.
Okay. So this is the answer. Now the last examples of today's tutorial, it is on your screen is, look here. First of all, you can write down the question. It's a 3 sin square pi by 3 minus 3 by 4 tan square pi by 6 plus 4 by 3 cot square pi by 6 and the 2 cosec square pi by 3. So first of all, you know about the degree and radian. Pi by 3 means 60 degree and pi by 6 means 30 degree. Just a change in 3 and 6 and 6 and 3. યાદ આ રીતે રાખી લખશો, જેના છેદમાં 3 હોય એ 60 ડિગ્રી હોય, જેના છેદમાં 6 હોય એ 30 ડિગ્રી હોય. હાફ કરી લેવાનું. So first of all, you can put the old value which we have. So here 3 as it is. Sin pi by 3 means sin 60 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and whole square. Second term 3 by 4 as it is. 10 pi by 6 means 1030. 1030's value is 1 upon under root 3. Apply this square. This is the 4 by 3. Put pi by 6 cot 30. Cot 30 means cos 30 by tan 30. And this is the root 3 whole square. Minus cosec pi by 3 means cosec 60. Sin 60 is the root 3 by 2. Cosec 60 is 2 upon under root 3 whole square. Just the reciprocal of the sign. First of all, you give the square of every term. This is a 3. It's a 3 by 4. 3 by 4 as it is. It's a 1 by 3. It's a 4 by 3. Square root of square and square root cancel. Here, it's a 4 by 3. First of all, you can cut if the possible term you have. Here, look here, the 3 to 3 cut. Here again, 3 to 3 cut. Just write down the remaining term. And it's a 9 by 4. Here the minus 1 by 4. This is the 4 only. In minus 8 by 3. Now I want to take the LCM. I have a 2 denominator. Take the product of it and solve it. The denominator becomes 12. Just to multiply the remaining term. Here the 4R. Remaining term is 3. So multiply the given number by 3. So 9 into 3 is 27. Again 3 is remaining. Multiply 1 with 3. Here the both numbers are remaining. So this number 4 is multiplied by 12. 48. Minus. The 4 is missing. So 4 into 8 is 32. Take the addition. (27 minus 3 plus 48 minus 32). This 40. So this is your 40 by 12. Factorize it. It's a 4 by 10 and 4 by 3. 4 is cancelled. Your answer is 10 by 3. So hope you understood. Right, very good. You are definitely right. So your tutorial 3.2 is over. Now we're moving on to the next tutorial. The next tutorial is 3.3, which is depend on the unit circle. And we discuss all things of the unit circle in theoretical numerical lecture. So let me moving on the next tutorial. Be ready. It's a really beautiful thing. So the student, this tutorial 3.3 is depend on the complementary angles. First of all, you know about the complementary angles. The complementary angles means the sum of any two angles. You give the value of these two angles gives you 90 degree. This type of angle known as the complementary angles. Means કે કોઈ પણ આપણે ટ્રાયેંગલ ના કોઈ પણ બે એંગલ્સ નું એડિશન કરીએ ને અને એ જો 90 હોય ને તો એને આપણે કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટરી એંગલ્સ કહેશું. Sum of any two angles. If you take any two angles and take the sum, you get the 90 degree. This type of two angles are known as the complementary angle. And these all things we discuss in the theory. So first of all, we focus on the unit circle only. Look here, this is your unit circle. The whole thing we discussed in the theoretical class. First is axis, xy axis. Then degrees. Every quadrant gives to 90 degrees. Quadrant means your unit circle convert into the fourth quadrant. In all STC meanings, all means all the trigonometric function, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. S means sine and the reciprocal. They are the positive in the second quadrant. For the tan and cot, they are the positive in the third quadrant. The remaining are negative. In fourth quadrant, this is cos and sec are positive and negative. Look here, I did the three revolution fully. First of all, I'm starting with the 0, 90 degree. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Madina. Yeah. So when you have in 10th standard, yeah, anyway, your subject is like a science, physics, yeah, chemistry. Means there are the many experiment you can do. In that time, your teachers will say, would tell you ki this is your conical flask and putting some phenolphthalein liquid and your test tube is always set as a 0 point. After taking the one by one drop it and you can convert, you can experiment following things. And many experiments you can do in the previous classes. Hello.
हाँ मैम.
Yes, okay. So one revolution means you can travel the 360 degree. Second revolution means you just starting with the zero. It's every time you can take the initial to final point, but you can just change it, take the one more revolution. Means if you take the one more revolution, nothing will change in the degrees form. So here the 0 degree is your initial point. You're moving on the one full revolution and reach 360 degrees. Meaning of the 360 degree and the 0 degree are same. In short, when તો જે એક ચક્કર લગાવેલું છે 0 થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીને 360 એ તમે લોકો જ્યાં પહોંચ્યા છો એ one revolution થયું. Second revolution means you can start with the 360 and moving on the again one revolution, you can reach 720 degrees. The second revolution completed. But in every revolution, if you start, if you can say, you can set your experiment with the 0. So there is no change in the degree. આપણે એક ચક્કર લગાવી દો 360 નું પાછું એને 0 સેટ કરજો ફરી એક ચક્કર લગાવીએ તો ડિગ્રીઝ માં કઈ ચેન્જ નહીં થાય બટ આપણે ડિગ્રીઝ ને વધારતા જશું. Always you can see 0 degree, 360 degree, 720 degree and more. All are equal. Similarly, 90, 450, 810, all are equals. Means we just take new revolution. But every time you can set your point is as a 0 is the initial point. So every time you got the final point is a 360. But if you don't, so you just get the variation in the degree. But all the degrees are equals. Understood? ભાઈ આપણે એક 0 થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ ને તો હંમેશા 3
Ma'am, ma'am,
Hello. Now audible. Put your attendance in chat box. All the students, please write down your attendance in the chat box. Now you can leave this meeting. Next day we will discuss the tutorial number 1.3.
Ma'am, you will send the assignment.
Yes, definitely. You
Okay,
can
ma'am.
visit the Google Class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Today I'm stopped here. Have a good day.